Well, I'm meteorologist Vin Crosby from the Weather Show with Vin Crosby. Thank you for joining us. And boy, we've got some developments in the Northwest. A system's going to move out of the north and bring a sharp reinforcement of fall-like temperatures, but it looks like it may be strong enough to squeeze out some precipitation, and some of that will be in the form of snow in the higher elevations, not down in the Treasure Valley, of course. Cold rain coming our way. A cold fall-like rain is going to move on through the Treasure Valley over the next couple of days. It's going to get in here. It's going to get out of here real quick. It looks like most of it will come on through Tuesday and then be gone by Wednesday. But you can see here that the system will be coming on in from the north direction, coming sliding down from around the Spokane area all the way down towards Pocatello. And so with this system as sharp as it is, meteorology term there, that will bring some precipitation our way. It will get windy, it will get colder as well, and look at the precipitation amounts, if you will, as we go in for a closer look. You can see that we are going to see some, a tenth of an inch of rain possible in some areas, maybe a little bit more as this kind of meanders down towards the Treasure Valley. Again, Tuesday is where we'll see the brunt of the precipitation going on in towards Tuesday evening, and then going on towards Wednesday, it presses out towards the east and southeast direction, but around Meridian, back towards Ontario, eastern Oregon, this system does slide down towards the south, and there's a real maximum of precipitation that occurs down by the Snake River Valley with this particular model run. That could change. It could be a little bit north, could be a little bit south, depending on the track of this storm system. One thing I'll note, and I'll say this as you can see the precipitation amounts there on your screen, is most of the storms that come out of the north are light in precipitation, and the models kind of overdo it. So don't be surprised if this gets in here and gets out of here with less precipitation than you see here on the screen. The other thing to note is that snow will fall in the higher elevations, and some areas could pick up an inch, two, maybe even more. And so that will make a nice scene of the peaks of the snows behind Boise, the foothills covered, peaks of the mountains rather, covered with snow. The temperatures will be chilly over the next couple of days. Matter of fact, when the cold rain comes on through, we'll have temperatures down in the 50s, maybe even the 40s as the rainfall is falling. And then as it tapers off, the temperatures will rise back into the 50s. But fall-like conditions, it will be cool, certainly, over the next 24 to 36 hours. Long-range weather forecast, though, is showing very, very tranquil conditions in the Northwest. A lot of that has to do with Hurricane Michael down in the Gulf of Mexico, kind of throwing a buckle in the whole overall weather pattern. So we are going to see a nice weather pattern develop, fall-like weather pattern in the Northwest. This will mean dry conditions and temperatures very seasonable or above normal conditions. Hey, I want to let you know about something we're doing here on the Weather Show with Vin Crosby. You can win a prize of $100, perhaps more. Several prizes are possible in a contest where you can guess, you can guess the first 1-inch snowfall at Boise. So here in the Treasure Valley, we get our snows, but the first 1 inch of snow measured by the National Weather Service, you can pick that. And so you can see the link right here at the bottom of this video. Go to that, see what the prediction will be for you. You can choose it. And if you win and pick that day where we'll have the first 1-inch snowfall, you will win possibly a gift card for $100, prizes up close to $100, gift certificates to restaurants. All this will be added as we go on towards that magic day when the Boise area gets 1 inch of snow, and it has to be measured at the National Weather Service. There's no purchase necessary for winning this prize and contest. All right, so there you have it. Another thing that we have going on, of course, the fall-like temperatures and then the rain that's coming our way, going on in starting really possibly Monday night, Tuesday into Tuesday night, and possibly Wednesday morning. The system will taper off, but it looks wet and it looks cool.